Welcome to my channel. Are you ready for school?
Yes, Mom. I packed my bag.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I completed it last night.
Don't forget your lunchbox.
I already put it in my bag.
What subject do you have first today?
I have math first.
Did you study for the test?
Yes, I feel ready.
Take your umbrella. It might rain.
Okay, thanks for reminding me.
How was your day at school?
It was fun. We had music class.
Did you eat your lunch?
Yes, it was yummy.
Any homework today?
Just some science questions.
Do you need help with your homework?
Yes, I need help in English.
Did your teacher praise your work today?
Yes, she said I did great.
Who's your best friend at school?
Her name is Anika.
What did you learn in science today?
We learned about plants.
Did you play during break time?
Yes, we played skipping rope.
Do you like your new teacher?
Yes, she is very kind.
How was your English class?
We learned new words.
Did you submit your assignment?
Yes, just in time.
What's in your school notice today?
We have a drawing competition.
Are you joining the competition?
Yes, I love drawing.
Do you need crayons?
Yes, I ran out of green.
Why are you looking upset?
I forgot my homework today.
It's okay. Try to remember next time.
Yes, I'll be careful.
Do you want tiffin tomorrow?
Yes, make sandwiches please.
Are your notebooks complete?
I need to copy one page.
Will there be an exam next week?
Yes, class test.
Let's make a study plan.
Great idea.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
That's a Nobel profession.
Yes, I want to help people.
How was your school bus ride?
It was fun. I sat with my friend.
Did the teacher give homework?
Yes, for math and English.
Do you have group work tomorrow?
Yes, we will work on a poster.
What's the topic of the poster?
Save water.
Did you practice your speech?
Not yet, I need your help.
Let's practice it together.
Thank you, Mom.
What is your favorite subject?
I like science.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Miss Rima, the English teacher.
How was the school assembly today?
It was about independence.
Did you raise your hand in class?
Yes, I answered a question.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Remember to revise before bed.
I will, after dinner.
Tomorrow is your project submission.
Yes, I will check everything tonight.
Want me to print your project?
Yes, please.
Did you revise your spellings?
I revised them twice.
Why are you so happy today?
I got full marks in math.
Excellent. Let's celebrate.
Yay! Ice cream.
Let's pack your bag for tomorrow.
Okay, I'll bring my timetable.
Is there any notice from school?
Yes, parents meeting next week.
I will definitely attend.
That makes me happy.
Go to bed early today.
Okay, good night.
Sleep well, my child.
Love you, Mom.
Thanks for watching. Design plus Canva. Learning starts at home. Subscribe for more daily English.